Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings of different subscription services. So if you like unboxing videos, I would love for you to consider subscribing down below. Just click on the subscribe button. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, I finally got my FabFitFun in the mail, guys. To be fair, I know a lot of people have gotten their boxes, but I went on their website to see why is it taking so long for me to get my box. And it says on the website, they apologize, but due to COVID-19, everything's running late. So I guess that's the reason, that's what they're saying. But you know, I got it, I'm happy it's here. So, for those of you who don't know what FabFitFun is, let me give you the quick little rundown. It's super easy and simple to understand. It is basically a lifestyle box. There's only 4 boxes a year. It comes out every season, summer, winter, fall, spring. You have 2 options when you want to sign up. You can sign up seasonally, which you will pay $49.99 per box. And it will be valued for at least $200. Or you can do a whole year's membership and you'll save money that way, and you pay $179.99 up front. Right now I am just a seasonal member, so that's what I chose. And it is a beauty, wellness, fashion, and fitness box. So I think that's everything. If you are interested in signing up, I do have a $10 off your first box. I will leave it down in the description box. Just click on my link and you'll get $10 off your first box. Okay, so now with all that said, let's go ahead and see what I got. It has been a while, but it's here. And as a seasonal member, you get to pick out 3 picks out of the box. There's 8 items in here. So as a seasonal member, you pick out 3 items. But if you're a yearly member where you pay the whole $179 for the whole year, you get to pick out 5 items. But since I'm just paying by season, I only get to pick out 3, but I'm not complaining. I got a fabulous box. I've already peeked in here and I refreshed my memory of the things I did pick because it's been so long I forgot. Okay, so anyway, when you open it up, this is the way it looks. And we have Gabby Douglas on the front, and this is the magazine. It has a whole bunch of articles in here, and it tells you everything that's in your box. And I was about to say something. What was I about to say? My mind just went blank. I just lost the thought. Oh, I hate it when that happens. What was I gonna say? I don't know. Maybe it'll come back to me. But anyway, this is the magazine. Oh, Gabby Douglas. This box is for the Special Olympics, so I guess that's why they got her on the cover. So it says right here on the front, in support of the Special Olympics. So I just wanted to give a shout out to them for doing that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go through my first item that I got in here. Oh, and before I get any further into this box, I wanted to remind everybody that I have a 500 subscriber giveaway going on right now. If you guys have not checked out that video, I will leave the link up here. All you got to do at any point in this video, just click on that link and it'll take you to my giveaway and you can enter my giveaway. I forgot to mention in that video though, if you do leave a comment and you want to enter it, make sure you leave either your email address or your Instagram account. That would help me get a hold of you. But it's going to be until July 14th, 2020. So if you're seeing that after this, I'm sorry, it's already over. But if you haven't entered, definitely go check it out. I got some fabulous items in there for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go through the first item. And this was one of my picks. So I'm going to start with this. And this was Dr. Brandt's. And this is Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. And it says diminish dark circles and puffiness with this peptide powered cream. The price on this is $82. Now, the box I paid $49.99. This is $82. So that's, you know, that shows you the value for the box. And I can tell you, I have never used an $82 eye cream, so I'm super excited to try this out. And there was one other Dr. Brandt product that I used. It came in my Test Tube Beauty last month or 2 months ago. And he had it was a Dr. Brandt Poreless Primer. I can't remember the name of it. I will leave the link to that Test Tube Beauty box also. But I'm 2 thumbs up on his primer. I freaking love that. It's my new primer. And I know that primer was over $30-some, but my makeup goes on so well when I use that. So there's the first product, $82. Now the next product was my pick, and I picked this one because of my daughter. My daughter is a Michael Kors fanatic. So most of you guys know what I'm going to show you. I'm going to have to open this up. It is in a plastic sleeve. But my daughter is a Michael Kors fanatic. She has so many Michael Kors purses, shoes. She has a lot. So this is going to be a stocking stuffer for her. And what this is the Michael Kors, and he is calling this the Bedford Travel Passport Wallet. And it says, this sleek wallet keeps your passport, credit cards, and boarding pass super organized. And this is $78. And it is brown with the typical Michael Kors logo. And this is the way it looks inside, where you can put a whole bunch of cards in here. And it looks like you would put your passport on this side. So very good function. I know my daughter's gonna love that. So we're gonna put that right up there for now, and I will rewrap that later for her. Okay, what was my other? I had a third pick. Okay, and here was my third pick. My third pick was some sunglasses. These are from Tom's, and they come in their own little, cute little dust bag, I guess is what you call it, little pouch with their name on it. And what it says about this, it says these oversized and slightly cat eyes frames makes for a classic shape to add to your collection. And these are $58. So I will put these on. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think they fit my face, or are they too big? Let me know. Let me know, because if they don't fit my face, I'm probably going to give them to my daughter's my daughter and stick it in her stocking stuffer too. So she'll get 2. But I think I like them. I don't know. They might be a little too big. I don't know. Okie doke. So I'm going to put them back here so you guys can see them. And I'll put the little Tom's bag right there. Okay, now back to my eyeglasses, because I can't see nothing anymore. Oh, I miss my eyesight, guys. I remember I used to be able to read stuff so without eyeglasses. Oh, those were the days. Those were the days. Okay, so now all the other items in here were FabFitFun picks. So I didn't get to choose any of these, so this is what they sent me. And this is a makeup sponge. And this is a makeup drop hybrid makeup applicator. And it says this applicator features a silicone side and latex-free sponge side to give your makeup a flawless finish. And this is valued at $20. So nice, nice, nice. Oh, this one I'm very excited that I got this one. And this is the Murad. And this was a pick of theirs. And this is the Essential C Cleanser. And what it says about this, it says, formulated with vitamin A, C, and E, this energizing cleansing gel helps remove pollution and other impurities without over drying skin. To use, AM and PM, massage over dampened face and neck, rinse and pat dry. So that sounds very good. It's a very big bottle too. Look at this. That is a big baby. That is going to last me quite a while. So I'm super excited about that. So we'll put that back there. And here is another FabFitFun pick that I did not get to choose. This is what they sent me. And what this is, it is a Zoe Ayla ice roller. And it says, Ice Ice Baby. Reduce puffy eyes and rejuvenate tired skin for $30. And what it says about this, it says, enjoy the benefits of cold therapy with this extremely convenient tool by Zoe. Get rid of puffy eyes, redness, it tightens and rejuvenates skin. Achievate. What? Achievate? I just made up a word. Woo! Achieve radiant, glowing skin in just minutes. It helps reduce pore size and improve skin tone, brighten under eye circles, reduce the appearance of blemishes and fine lines, and removes fluid flushing in the face. So here's what it looks like. You just put it in the freezer, you get it real cold, and then you just roll it over your face. So it's interesting. Fun little beauty tool to play with, you know. So we'll put that there. Here, I want the glasses in the front. No, stay back there, baby. Okay. Alrighty, and this one I'm super interested in, and this is called Riddle. Has anyone used this before? What this is, it says it is a Riddle Oil Original Roll-On. This perfume mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent that's unique to you for $50. Now this I am super interested in. This is the bottle. This is the way it looks, and I can't wait to put this on because I want to see what my unique scent is and if I like it. And they said roll it on your pressure points. Oh yeah, there it is. No, kind of don't. Huh. I don't know how to describe it, so I can't. And I know that doesn't help you any, but it's pleasant. I like it. Huh. Very interesting. Has anyone tried this before? Let me know in the comments section. And do you like it? Oh, I got the box upside down. Okay, and I have one more thing. And this is, I'm super glad I got this. This is the Isaac Mizrahi XO Sienna vase. And it says, add a splash of color to your space with this hand-dipped vase for $28. Now, I've seen other people unbox these. I think I've watched so many unboxings and I'm like, where's my box? Where's my box? But, you know, it is what it is. I was upset, I wanted it, but hey, it's here now, so I'm happy. Aw, and this is so cute. What do you think? Do you think it look good there? Like maybe put some real flowers in here? That is lovely. It's like rough right here, and it's nice and smooth right here. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna put this back here. To recap everything I got, my box value came out to $386. I paid $49.99, and they also have a style box. I have not done the style box yet. That is something next month, or well, it's July now, so I'm definitely going to be signing up for my first FabFitFun style box. So I'm super interested in seeing what I get with that box. But onto this, it was $386. I paid $49.99. I got the vase, the makeup sponge, the cleanser, the Tom's eyeglasses, the Riddle perfume, the Michael Kors passport, the Dr. Brandt $80-some eye cream, and the Zoe ice roller. So I'll put the Zoe ice roller on my eye, then put the eye cream on, and let's hope for any bagginess to start going away. Okay, so that's it. I finally got it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox this. It was a fun, fabulous box. The only complaint I have is that it took forever, but it's here. So I need to stop complaining and be grateful. Okay, so if you guys are liking my videos, do not forget to check out my 500 subscriber giveaway. Like I said, I'll link that up here. Definitely go check that out. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.